Hello, I am Michael Kirichenko. You are watching SkyWay News, where we report on the development and implementation of breakthrough transport technologies. From today's issue, you will learn about the progress in building objects of SkyWay Technologies company, but the preparation for the main event of the summer, EcoFest 2019, will certainly be in the focus. This annual festival has already become a kind of summarizing report to investors of the company developer of Unitsky's SkyWay Transport. And now about all this in more detail. When concrete has gained the design strength, works are carried out to dismantle the formwork on the roof slab on both anchor supports of the first line at SkyWay Innovation Center in Sharjah. On their completion, geodesic control, acceptance and inspection of critical structures will be done. Construction of both production facilities of the company developer of the SkyWay technology in the Free Economic Zone Minsk is proceeding at the planned rate. Reinforcement of the roof slab and the anchor support of the second truss track structure is completed at SkyWay Eco Technopark. Currently, they are proceeding with commission acceptance of works and preparation for concreting. Landscaping of the territory in preparation for EcoFest 2019 is completed. The asphalt road is developed, walkways are tiled, and landscape gardening is completed as well. In general, work at SkyWay Eco Technopark never stops. Much has been done over the past year since the last EcoFest. Suffice it to recall the commissioning of the new ultralight suspended automatic passenger transport module, Uniwind U4 651, for a string rail transport system, and the construction of the second line of the rigid track structure or a truss type. Like the truss string rail overpass, already functioning at Eco Technopark, the new route is designed both for mounted and suspended passenger and cargo vehicles, where professionals are perfecting the project design and technological solutions required to implement projects in countries with hot climates, particularly in the United Arab Emirates. EcoFest guests will be able to see 3 new vehicles. More details about one of them. The long-awaited has finally happened. A development mule of the high-speed Unibus arrived at SkyWay Eco Technopark for testing. This vehicle is designed to treat childhood diseases, typical of any technical innovation. It completely repeats the exterior and those Unibus components that are to be tested, and the design of the mule has a convenient access to them in order to determine the required software or technical improvements. This is to provide developers with data on the time and frequency of problems for their removal, as well as to allow working out plant maintenance regulations. After that, it would be possible to start mass production of the new type of SkyWay rolling stock. We have been preparing for this event for a long time and have repeatedly informed about it. Almost a year ago, the high-speed Unibus, the vehicle unique in both beauty and performance, capable of reaching a fantastic speed of 500 km per hour, was demonstrated in Berlin at the world's largest transport biennale, InnoTrans 2018. And now, as you can see, it is already close to mass production. As shown by the tests conducted at the proof ground in Marina Gorka for 2 years, even a perfectly smooth gapless welded seam causes a slight tapping of the wheels, caused by a local change in the hardness of steel. This may be acceptable for urban transport, running at speeds up to 150 km per hour. However, for high-speed transport, the existing rail configuration may not be sufficient. In this regard, in order to improve the high-speed track structure, the raceway has been modernized. The solutions worked out by SkyWay Design Organization under the leadership of its general designer Anatoly Unitsky provided the possibility to exclude transverse welds along almost the entire length of the high-speed complex test section. This absolutely unique technology should not only confirm the expected features of smooth running and noise level in the high-speed SkyWay transport up to 500 km per hour, but also make the passengers' feelings absolutely comfortable when riding at such speeds. Performance trials begin one of these days, but already today, this unibus boasts a unique chassis, having a small dynamic run combining smooth movement with high speed. However, to confirm the highest features laid down by the project, it is also necessary to conduct bench tests that are also planned to start this month. Guests of EcoFest 2019 will be also able to witness tests of the mule and see a full-fledged unibus, the one that made a splash at the exhibition in Berlin. Those who will not be able to come to this unique event, do not worry. Follow our news. Links to the live broadcasts will be on the official website and social networks of our company. Such is our traditional brief report on the progress in the development of SkyWay technology over the past week. Follow the updates on the official SkyWay website, sign up to SkyWay YouTube channel, support our project. After all, nothing more interesting is happening in the world anyway. Build SkyWay. Save the planet.